But the common question that people ask is, how did I put on my PlayStation 5 plate? So the first things first is that you have to hold the bottom firmly and push while holding the top part, and then do the same thing in reverse for the bottom. That's how it worked for me. I just pushed it with a bit of force, but I made sure that the PS5 was firm, took off the top bit, took off the bottom bit, and then I put on the plate by sliding it in, top and the bottom part. I also added a sticker to it to make sure that the console had that retro vibe. You can get the sticker from eBay. Just type in PS5 sticker and you should be able to get like multiple color ones and stuff like that, so you can choose for your choice. PS5 looks like cheap.